Living in Deltona, Florida, means experiencing the beauty of coastal living, but it also comes with the risk of hurricanes and tropical storms. These powerful storms can cause significant damage to homes, and one of the most vulnerable areas of any home during a hurricane is the windows. Windows that aren't designed to withstand high winds and flying debris can shatter, allowing water and wind to enter your home, leading to further destruction. This is why storm-resistant windows are an essential investment for homeowners in Deltona, especially as the hurricane season approaches. In this article, we'll explore how storm-resistant windows can protect your home from hurricanes, their benefits, and why upgrading to them is a smart choice for Deltona homeowners. What are storm-resistant windows? Storm-resistant windows are specially designed to endure extreme weather conditions, including hurricanes, high winds, and flying debris. These windows are built with reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and advanced sealing technology to prevent them from shattering during a storm. They are designed to keep the elements outside and help maintain the integrity of your home's structure. In areas like Deltona, where hurricanes and tropical storms are a real concern, investing in storm-resistant windows can mean the difference between your home being severely damaged or remaining relatively unscathed. Protection against high winds and flying debris. One of the main causes of damage during a hurricane is flying debris and the high winds associated with the storm. Traditional windows are vulnerable to being shattered by debris, which allows wind and water to enter your home. Once the windows break, the storm can wreak havoc on the interior of your home, damaging walls, furniture, and electrical systems. Storm-resistant windows are specifically engineered to withstand the impact of flying debris. They are made from impact-resistant glass, which is much stronger than standard glass. These windows are also equipped with laminated layers and polyurethane interlayers, which prevent the glass from shattering upon impact. Instead of breaking into dangerous shards, the glass remains intact, even if it cracks, keeping wind and rain out of your home. By investing in storm-resistant windows, you significantly reduce the risk of damage to your home and belongings during a hurricane. Prevention of water intrusion. In addition to the high winds, hurricanes bring heavy rain that can lead to water intrusion into your home. Once your windows are compromised, water can seep into the structure, leading to costly damage to walls, floors, and personal belongings. This water damage can be difficult and expensive to repair. Storm-resistant windows are designed with superior seals and weatherproof frames that prevent rain from infiltrating your home. These windows are built to keep water from entering, even in the heaviest downpours, ensuring that your home remains dry and protected during a hurricane. By installing storm-resistant windows, you are not only protecting your home from the physical damage caused by wind but also preventing the long-term damage that water intrusion can cause. Energy efficiency during storms. In addition to protecting your home during a storm, storm-resistant windows offer energy efficiency benefits. During a hurricane, it's common to experience power outages, and having windows that provide extra insulation can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Many storm-resistant windows come with insulating properties, which help regulate the temperature inside your home during the storm. This is especially helpful if your air conditioning or heating system is temporarily unavailable due to power loss. These windows keep your home cooler during the summer heat or warmer during the cooler months, reducing the need for extra energy. Additionally, storm-resistant windows can also help keep your home more energy efficient year-round by reducing the amount of heat that escapes or enters through your windows, lowering your energy bills in the long term. Insurance discount. In regions prone to hurricanes, insurance companies often offer discounts on premiums for homeowners who have storm-resistant windows installed. This is because these windows lower the risk of damage to your home and reduce the likelihood of filing a claim after a storm. By investing in storm-resistant windows, you not only protect your home but also potentially save money on your home insurance premiums. It's a smart financial decision that pays off in both immediate protection and long-term savings. Peace of mind for homeowners. Perhaps one of the greatest benefits of installing storm-resistant windows is the peace of mind they provide. Knowing that your windows are built to withstand extreme weather gives you confidence and reassurance during hurricane season. You no longer have to worry about rushing to board up your windows or dealing with the aftermath of storm damage. Storm-resistant windows are a long-term investment in your home's safety and security. They provide protection from the elements while also enhancing the value and appearance of your home. Whether you plan to stay in your home for many years or are looking to sell in the future, storm-resistant windows will add significant value and appeal. Conclusion. Protect your Deltona home with storm-resistant windows. Deltona homeowners face the reality of hurricane season each year, and storm-resistant windows are one of the best ways to protect your home from hurricanes and tropical storms. These windows provide enhanced protection against high winds, flying debris, and water intrusion, ensuring that your home remains safe and secure during a storm. In addition to protection, storm-resistant windows offer energy efficiency, insurance discounts, and long-term durability, making them a wise investment for homeowners looking to safeguard their property. If you live in Deltona, upgrading to storm-resistant windows is a proactive step to protect your home, save money, and ensure peace of mind throughout hurricane season and beyond.